Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix slow image upload issues on TinyPNG in 2026. So if your images are uploading very slowly, getting stuck, or taking too long to process, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable internet is one of the main reasons uploads take too long. Next, refresh the TinyPNG website and try uploading again, so temporary browser glitches can slow things down. Now reduce your image size before uploading. I mean, extremely large files will always take longer to process, so avoid uploading too many images at once. Batch uploads with large files can slow down the process. Next, close unnecessary browser tabs and background apps. This frees up system resources and improves upload speed. Finally, try using a different browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, so browser issues can also cause slow uploads. And that's how to fix slow image upload on TinyPNG in 2026. Once you check your internet, reduce file size, and optimize your browser, uploads become much faster. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more image optimization tutorials.